Hello guys, welcome to the 8th tutorial of our Android chat series that I'm working with Firebase. So till last activity we were able to send some messages, and right now it's time to display the messages. So let's get right to it. And if we go to our message activity layout, you will see I have already taken one recycler view. So we would use the recycler view to display our messages. So for that we would need to create an adapter, and also since we have a new reference in our database, we would need to access this by creating a model for it. Yeah, so let's just get right to it. And yeah, we'll go here and create a model chats where we are fetching information string sender receiver. Just make sure the spelling are right. I'll close this node and open this one. Receiver. Oh, okay, I misspelled receiver, so let's just misspell it for the whole tutorial then, because if it's not same then we will not see the receiver. Okay, let it go. And the message, I'm going to create a constructor and an empty constructor. Make sure to create an empty constructor because this is required by Firebase and getter setter. Okay, we're done here. Going to message adapter. We are going to create a message adapter. Here we are, an extend recycler view class my view holder extend recycler view holder. Great. We'll create a constructor and adapter message adapter dot view holder, my view holder. Okay, implement the methods and context list passing chats list, creating a constructor. And here is very interesting thing right now, like we have, I'll go as we explain. I'll explain as we go. Okay, sorry man, my mind. So the thing is, here if you are receiving the message, then it should inflate this layout, and if you are sending the message, then it should inflate this layout. So earlier when we were in the user adapter, there was only one layout to be displayed, that all users were being displayed, but here we have two kind of layouts, so we will learn how to use this. So here what I'll do is I'll take two constants, final int message write is equal to 0, and I'll copy this message left is equal to 1 for me, for friend. Now what I'll do here is, if view type is equal to message write, then we want view layout inflator from context inflate r dot layout dot chat item right, parent false, and return my view holder view. new here, just copy paste it. Else we want chat item left. Okay, that's it. We will go here and chat list dot size, and what are we displaying here? Message. Text view, message, text, and circle image view of user, whoever is sending us a message. Message text find item view, find view by ID, and here what we'll do is show message. I think so, this is the one. And image view, item view, find view by ID, image, chat image. And we have to create a new method here because we are using two layouts. Excuse me guys, I think my mouse fell down, so I have to look at this one. What just happened? Yeah, okay, I'm back. So we have to create a new helper method for our adopter, and yeah, because there are two layouts that we are using, so what we'll do here is just get item type, remove the return. This is not a helper method, sorry, this is just a override. Firebase user Firebase auth get current user. If chat list get position get sender equals user get ID, then we want message right to be displayed, else message left should be displayed. So I'll tell you what is just happening here. So if the sender is me, which means sender ID that we have gotten here is similar to the user ID who has logged in. So if I am sending the message, means sender, I am the sender and my ID is same as the sender ID. Then inflate the right layout, otherwise show the left one. Okay, perfect. And what we'll do here is we will go to bind view and chats chat list get position. Okay, perfect. And now we will just attach our holder dot message text set text chats dot get message, and I will I think I will let's just not copy. If chats dot I think what I'll do here is to write the we'll take a string here, image URL, and pass it here also. this image URL is equal to image URL. So if image URL equals default, then we want holder image view set image resource user, else glide with context load image URL into holder dot image view. So right now you must be getting confused that why am I using all the time image URL, because there is no image in the database and we are just displaying placeholder images. But you will understand why did I do that, because once I create a reference for storage reference for image URL, then I don't have to change it everywhere. Only it will be changed here automatically, and we will be able to fetch our images for the user toolbar, profile, and chats all at the same time. So that is why just bear with me for a while. Okay, I think our adapter is ready, and what we'll do here is we go to our message activity. Just give me a second. And here we will get our list chats and chat list, and we will get our message adapter. Oh, sorry, message adapter adapter, and we will take a recycler view because we have to display the messages. Okay, so somewhere here we will map our recycler view. I'm sorry, cast our recycler view messages. Okay, recycler view set uh, set stack just give me a second. Linear layout manager, layout manager, new layout manager, linear layout manager, and this. Okay, and recycler view set layout manager is layout manager, and we want the messages. We are stacking our recycler view from the end, so set stack layout manager true. Okay, that's it. And whenever our activity is launched, we want it to read messages. You want to be able to read messages, and what we will do here is we will create a helper method where, and in read messages we will pass my ID, friend ID, and an image URL which we should be getting from, yeah, I would put this here. Here is the trick. From here, and the image URL we should be getting from user.get users.get uh, here, friend ID users.get image URL, because the thing is this node contains our image URL. So we are using this here, this custom model. That is why I am reading the messages here, so I can pass that parameter here. And I'll create the method. Okay, here we are. And now we will apply value event listener because we are listening on the values. So we'll take a database reference, but first of all we will initialize our array list. And now here I will take the reference new, Firebase, get reference. We are reading from chats, and now we are reading chats of all the users. Reference dot add value event listener, and here I will clear my chat list first. Now I will apply a loop, data snapshot ds snapshot get children. Now here I'll take chats ds get value chats dot class. Now here's the trick. If chats dot get sender equals my ID and chats dot get receiver is friend ID, or just reverse of this, I'll just copy paste it, friend ID, my ID. I'll just bring it here and I'll click on find. Add string as first parameter. Okay. So chat list add chats. Sorry guys, here is some mistake. Equals, and similar here, I have to add equals here. Yeah, and here what I'll do is I'll simply add these to my adapter, new message adapter and message activity. This, and passing our chat list and the image URL. And lastly, if all is going well, then I'll write an adapter and apply the message adapter here. So guys, that was a lot of work, and let's run the app and let's hope that it does not crash and it shows us the results. So yeah, these were the messages that I was sending. Hello. So see, it's perfect. And if I will log out and log in by, just to show you if that that I'm receiving the response, then I would log in by Tina and see if we have gotten the message or not. I think what was the account for Tina? t@gmail.com. You have to understand the concepts, then it's get easier. But if there are errors, then you just learn on the way. So it's good to see errors, and when I like make videos there are so many errors, but when I fix them it feels good. So we were chatting with John, and yeah, here I'm seeing this because I'm receiving the message. So right now I will see the image also. We will work on the image later. So yeah, that's great. So here we can chat, you can see, or I can send a message to a different user. You can send a message to Sam. Okay guys, that's it for this tutorial. This was a success, and next one is we will work on displaying to whom we have chatted, to display that user here, and then like yeah, so on we will go from there. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions you can ask, and also subscribe. Bye.